I'm all alone today. There's no Kim. It's just Garrett. All Garrett. All day. Every day. Today. Not tomorrow? Not yesterday. Alright, so Kim's off. She's traveling. She's going here and going there. Mainly somewhere where it's cold. No thanks. While she's gone, she tells me to make a table. She says we need a bedside table. I said a bedside table for what? She said a bed. Makes sense. Makes sense. Bedside table for a bed. Anyway, it needs to be 33 inches wide, 5 inches deep, 31 inches tall. I said, I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and build it. She said, but you didn't draw any plans up and there's no script. I said, I got this. I got this. You told me the dimensions. She said, I also need a shelf in the middle. Done. Done. I have this 1x6 and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top and the bottom out of it. And then I have a 1x4 and I'm gonna cut the sides out of it. Then I'm gonna put pocket holes in the sides. Then I'm gonna put pocket holes in the shelf. Done. Let's get cutting. This is the top. Marking it 33 inches. The bottom 33 inches. Measuring side A. (29.5 inches). Measuring side B. 29.5 inches. Let's cut some wood. Alright, time to make some pocket holes. So this is going to be the side A, side B. Alright, time to attach the sides to the top. We're going to measure in 1 inch on each side. A little bit of glue. Some pocket hole screws. Oh. We'll put a shelf on. We'll say a foot down. It seems pretty sturdy, but I think I'm going to go ahead and make some 1x3 cuts at 33 and just tack them right up in here. Give this top some support a little bit, keep it square. Alright, I got some 1x3s cut. I'm just going to tack them up on here. A little bit of glue, a little bit of glue. Alright, that's it, a bedside table. I guess we'll stain it. I don't know if you'll see it in the end. We'll take pictures. Alright, maybe Kim will be back next week. I don't even know. I don't even know.